and I was a bit lazy even, and I didn't have the coconut milk. But doesn't matter, I love to put some or the another ingredient or any other way to inculcate those delicious flavors into my keto recipe. And here comes a beautiful keto Thai red curry, one pot rice. Yes, it's a keto recipe and you're just going to love it. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. So let's begin with it. So for this delicious keto one pot Thai red curry rice, the name is quite big but it's very simple and easy to prepare. I have taken the coconut fruit and that is the meat of it, that is the flesh of the coconut, and I really love it. I have just removed the brown skin of it and I'm going to add some water and take a fresh paste of it. Yes, this will give a lovely taste even, because the the fiber of the coconut will be there and that would work wonders in this recipe. So I have just churned it, and after churning, see, it's so creamy, so soft, it's looking so delicious. So my almost, you can say, the coconut milk with the coconut is ready. So now I have taken a pan, added some oil into it, and now I'm going to drop this coconut. Yes, this coconut mixture, I'm going to drop this and I'm going to saute it for literally 10 to 15 seconds. Yes, not more than that. So I'm sauteing it just for 15 seconds to remove the rawness of the coconut. So here I'm adding the red Thai curry paste. You can make the fresh one, but simply I prefer using the market bought because it's a big pain getting ingredients over here in India. So I am using the red Thai curry paste, which is easily available all over India. So just give it a mix, added some more water, and I am going to just give it a magic mix and let it cook. Yes, the red Thai curry will give a delicious flavor to my coconut mixture. And to the same jar which has little bit of the coconut mixture left, I'm going to add some water, just shake it a bit, and I'm going to drop the water into the pan only and just saute it a bit, add some more water. Now comes the turn of the vegetables. So now I'm adding mushrooms. Here goes the colorful capsicums. You can add any capsicum you can get hold of. Some eggplants or aubergines goes into it. Some zucchini goes into it. Even I have added bottle gourd into it. And once I made this with the sponge gourd even. So you can add variety of vegetables to this recipe to get a delicious different flavor every time. So cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Add some salt. Again, I'm going to just saute it and I'm going to again cover and cook for 5 minutes more, so that my aubergines, they get cooked up easily, because other vegetables, they get easily cooked up. The aubergines are the one which needs more proper cooking. So here I am dropping some cauli rice. This is nothing but simply the cauli florets, and I've just pulsed it in my chopper. You can pulse it in your food processor even, or you can simply grate it with a grater even. And sometimes I use the stalk of the cauliflower even. So here goes the broccoli. So when I am making at home for myself, I use the stalk of the broccoli and also of the cauliflower. I use that stalk to make the cauli rice. But for the video, I just use the cauli florets. See, I'm adding a little bit water, just saute it a bit, and this will be almost done. I'm going to give it a boil. So cover it again and give it a good boil. See, it has started boiling. It's looking so nice, lovely color, beautiful color, orangish color. I'm literally enjoying this color. So it's properly cooked. And now I'm going to add the fresh basil leaves. If you don't have fresh one, you can use the dried one even. This is from my homegrown, you can say, from my windowsill. And this gives a lovely flavor to this Thai red curry rice. You're going to simply love it. And it's done. Yes, it's complete. I can enjoy it. So here I am serving in a bowl. Doesn't it look delicious? You can add more proteins in it. You can add tofu, you can add paneer or the cottage cheese and enjoy the deliciousness of this keto one pot Thai red curry rice. And so if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.